it's Jasmine. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of Polène Numero Un Nano, and I'm really excited because this is my birthday gift to myself, and yeah, I'm turning 25 on October 9th, so I decided to buy this for myself. I just can't wait to open it. I think I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so it came in this really lovely box. It's like a pearlescent color and the letters are in gold, and the shipping was actually really fast. I ordered it Saturday, and they don't typically ship in the weekend, but they shipped it when it was like Sunday here. It was Monday there then, and it arrived today, Wednesday. So I was really impressed at how fast the shipping was. I did pay $20. That was the only option, and I didn't mind because I didn't have to pay for taxes. But yeah, I'm talking so much. I'm just gonna open it. Ooh. And it just has this photo, and I'm gonna open it now. Okay. And then it also comes with this dust bag, which is actually really good in quality. It's so soft, and it just says Polene here. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, it's bubble wrap. Does anyone here like popping bubble wrap? Because I was so addicted to that when I was a kid. Here she is, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so in love. I don't typically splurge on handbags, but when I saw this, I just knew that I had to get it. It's my birthday month, so I decided to treat myself with this bag. This was $300, and for that price, the quality is really good. It's made out of calf leather. Polene is a new luxury brand in Paris, and although they really have good quality products, their price point is very accessible for what you're paying for. Because now that I'm touching this, oh my goodness, this feels so luxurious. So this has a magnetic clasp here. Oh, I just think that this looks so classic, yet the shape is also modern. They do have a bigger one of this one, but I don't typically carry big handbags with me, so I decided to opt for the Nano, and this one is in the camel color. And when you open it up, it just has some tissue paper, of course. Let me remove that. And actually, the good thing about this bag is that you can make the space inside bigger by undoing this clasp in case you need more storage. But I think I'll be perfectly fine with the way it came. And it has like an interior pocket here, which is always handy in case you want to put some little things that you don't want to get lost in the bag. In the back, it also has a pocket. Just no way I could fit my phone in here, but I could fit some cards. Just look at the detail, look at the stitching. There's just something about the way, the silhouette of this bag that's just very attractive and feminine. And I love how unique it looks. It feels very elegant, and at the same time, this is not something that I feel you see a lot because it's a newer brand, and most of all, it's not as expensive as, you know, really top-end luxury brands. The leather feels so nice. There's actually a cheaper version of the Nano, and the leather is textured, but I just prefer the look of the softer one. I think it looks more elegant. Oh, another good thing about this bag is that it has 4 feet. I don't know, it looks so cute, but I know that's also functional. And it just has Polene here, very minimal. I really like purses that are not loud, if that makes sense. I don't like purses that have prints or wherein the logo is so big. I feel like this is just perfect because it's very subtle yet elegant. And okay, I think we could test what we could fit in this bag. Let's see. This is my phone. It's an iPhone XR. Let's see what else we could fit. I typically don't carry a wallet with me. I just use a card holder. So we have a card holder here. The opening of the bag is a bit narrow with the clasp closed. I actually don't mind that. I think it makes the bag more secure. You can also put a mirror in, and sanitizer, of course. Let me just grab a sanitizer. We have a sanitizer, and as you can see, there's still quite a lot of space in there. Sorry, I just like threw everything in here, but my camera can definitely fit here still. So despite this being quite a small bag, I actually think that this is very functional at the same time. The good thing is that this purse also comes in many different colors, a lot of fun ones too. I just chose the camel one because it's very classic and I've been loving browns lately, so I think it will just go with many of my outfits. I just can't wait to wear this, and I think that this is something that I'll keep in my closet for a really long time, if not forever. So in love, just look at it. Yeah. So yeah, this is me basically squealing and fangirling over a purse. If you're looking for a classic bag that you want to invest into, then I would suggest looking into Polene. They really have a lot of timeless pieces, and I think that the pricing is very fair. Their only store is in France. I think there's gonna be a branch soon in US, I think next year, and their factory is in Spain. I'm really excited to wear this out. Sorry guys, this is such a random video. I just wanted to share my excitement with you and share my thoughts and first impression in this beautiful bag. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!